Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fill in or fill out a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF form with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this fillable text box and type your text and type name, and this is birth date and is your name, and here you can type mail and phone number, here type address and this checkbox and so on. Also input here and this table. In this way you can fill in a fillable PDF form and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form, and select save as or save. Now close it and again open and see this text even here, and this is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.